Hi guys, it's me again. So today I'll be just telling you guys that I'm really excited because tomorrow I'm getting my airsoft gun. I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to do an unboxing review, unboxing. So yeah, I'll be shooting stuff. Yeah. So when I bring my mom, because we go camping, I go fishing with my dad. I'm going to sneak my airsoft and I'm going to shoot a frog. Yeah. Well, that was a really quick video. I was just like I said. So, bye. Leave a like and subscribe. And I'm going to shout that guy there who commented. Never mind. I was going to give him a shout out, but whatever.